I'm ready, well steady, well focused, God. I hope you're ready.
Babes.
Yeah.
I'm just so tired, man. Every minute we have to come one of these bush hide. I just can't be bothered, man.
Tell the truth, you know.
Right now, I just want want everything to just, legal.
You see them bush things, me not to like them, because they was a grass of years, you know. Yeah, so that's not me idea, I one night, because can't bother with them, man.
Can't wait.
Can't bother, man. I say I feel like full for husband. Do you want to come boss up, man, you know?
What happened to the boy there?
If you tell me that you your husband.
Babes, not hard them things, man.
No, man, it is.
Babes, trust me. That boy there really idiot.
Tell you, man, big fool.
All in mind, say, babes. All in mind, say, me a British citizen, you know? All in mind, but he happy to, you know.
You look like a chopper.
I tell you.
Tell you, man.
But me know what we want.
Exactly.
Babes, when you go live for Pinky?
You know, say, I go and hold it out, because she tell me say her father did her papers for us, you know. So we can also hold on for those. Little longer. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I really think that.
I can't buy it out, you know, to corrupt.
I tell you, I can't wait to have you in my arms by myself.
True, man. True.
Wait, babes. What you really say a while ago?
I said, I hold on for till you get it, you know, you can father start out the thing.
You have me thinking right now.
About what?
Boy, anyway, I'll be trusting that you still. So.
Yes, maybe if you two. Is my finger?
A bit, huh?
Look good.
Later.
What do you say?
Two, baby.
Okay. I say it in Spanish. Dos.
Baby, okay.
What time I know?
We are watch the time, so.
So I forgot go in early, because last time I come in late, no Pinky. So question.
Yeah, you're Pinky. Just feel tired and feel up this Pinky business. I just near you for this every time. No, I can't just wait for you.
Don't worry yourself, man. That's everything that's sort out, isn't it? Just sort out.
Anyway, I have trust in you, baby.
True, man. True. I have trust in like a donkey. I have trust. Like how Jesus have trust in a donkey. Okay, I know.
Baby. So, I don't know, but I'm gonna really miss you.
I forgot plan one next day. Plan one next time, man, isn't it? I can't buy it for your husband.
Him? I don't even talk about him, because you know what's him just behind my back.
How much it takes? Can't buy it for your husband, man. Yes. Every minute. When I tell you I come in, I see him. I can't see him through the office window. I come in, I see him. I look and I watch me. I'm not saying nothing to him, I'm just going in and do what I have to do.
Him can't do nothing anyway.
I say I that.
Not a thing him can't do to you.
That.
Me I defend you to the max.
That my love.
Can't fire you.
That my love.
Trust me.
Yeah, I'm on the idea.
Yeah.
I'll plan one next day.
Yeah, baby. Just come give me a hug.
That's what I want, man.
Yeah.
Banging line, choppy line, make the money fast, get rich quick. Yeah. Hey dog, no fire sign, a big man a pass. Hey, so when I see chopper roll through. Hey, move on the dog. Chop. Can't say chopper pass through and come roof.
I record 15 school managers systematically collect 200 information about their school. So they have relevant and reliable information readily available to support the teacher.
Hey, smoky.
Fire.
Yeah, one thought, my father.
And sometimes the ministry
Chopper. Real chopper. Choppy chop.
Where the fun idea?
There, man. No, true. Hey, Smokey. Things and time change.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Wow,
True. I want to tell you, say, I want to go into the game now.
But you want a big man, what kind of game you talk
The
about?
game, man.
What kind of game you talk about?
You don't know the game, man. The brrr. Hello?
My brother, you have to come better than that, you know, because we're not on the late thing and I go back to reason with my friend.
No, a serious thing. I see what you're talking about, man. For true.
Brother, I could know what I'm going
Alright, more on choppy line now.
Choppy line.
Yeah, more on choppy line now, man.
I think that, brother.
More
you know,
richer now.
Yo, you don't see what going on, you know, so much youth I go down the road, them way, the brother. Mad, you can't go down them thing, the brother.
Them too smart. You have to fully done for true. When you fully done for true, you survive long in the game. You don't know a thing, man. You are the godfather for true.
Yeah, you're still in that, but you know, you know your old lady, I know your people, I want to know, say, boy, my name go cast you, me make rare, brother.
Yo,
That's
Smokey,
what I'm
man.
telling you.
Nobody the foolishness, man. More rich, you know. Hey, my name.
Hold on. Cause some fool, you know. So anyway, you are going now.
Yeah.
You can deal with that thing for you, you know.
Nah, a banger phone.
You can do something for you.
Yeah, me, I want a banger phone, man, for
Yeah,
true.
you know, you see what me I gonna do for you, brother?
Yeah.
Between me and you know.
Chat,
You know
man.
what I'm
The
saying?
true.
But watch what I'm going on. The percentage part you talk about.
Yeah.
Cause you know, remember say my thing, you know.
Yeah.
So you know,
For me,
so,
your thing.
No. Alright, you are going.
Oh, for your thing.
My thing.
Yeah,
My
for
thing,
true.
no my thing.
Oh,
So you are going.
oh.
And 90% now look after it, you know.
90.
So if you can't forward 19, even make no sense to even turn up yourself.
90.
Yeah, man.
So, me figure 90%.
90% straight up.
90%.
Yes,
Then
man.
I look a bit amount that easy for me. I flip cash fast, man. I make you get 90% quick, man. What is 90%?
Hold on, brother. You have to lower your voice, cause you
Oh,
think
yeah,
that you
yeah.
have to
True,
lower your-
true,
Alright,
man.
here we go. Me have a
True,
one
true.
thing still in the butt.
Yeah.
Now go make you see it. See it?
For true.
See it? Now make you see how see what I want. So me I say,
Not too make nobody see. Oh,
this that thing I know.
yeah.
I hit this, you know. So me I say, say look.
Oh, bad. Yo,
Yeah, leave.
mad, man. Mad.
Yeah.
Tough for true.
So something like this, you want.
Yeah.
Cause this clean, you know.
Can't touch it.
You can't touch it, man. You know, touch this already, man.
It's smooth. It's smooth. For true.
We have some tympans, yeah?
Yeah.
We have to go wipe off. So you have to go link me tomorrow.
Yeah. You have to client them.
So you have to go link me tomorrow. So you link me
yeah,
tomorrow
yeah.
between 10 o'clock and we're going to the city. So you have to forward
True.
come link me on the block, see?
Yeah.
And so you link me,
Yeah.
you just come and say Smokey.
For true.
See? I'm here the right on the spot. So,
True.
So no watch
Yeah.
nothing,
So me a chopper you now.
So link me tomorrow.
Me a real chopper you now.
Brother, hold it. Just link me tomorrow, no man.
Yeah,
Just link
yeah,
me tomorrow and then
yeah.
we can chat.
True,
See?
yeah.
Alright, now watch nothing.
True.
Yeah? And you wanna big up Miss Gwen for me. Tell her me how forward for the black and link.
Yeah,
See?
man, me a go do that
Alright,
for
bless up
true.
yourself.
Yeah, bless up my
Respect. Yeah,
father.
man.
Enough
Alright,
respect. Enough respect. I am a real chopper you know. Who can talk to me? Hello? Can you send the money to the Western Union, please? And thank you. Okay. All right. Skinny get richer now. So for true. Big food, choppy line, chop. Jaja, where they go out with something true?
Yeah, man, where are you?
Me there, man.
The thing outside.
Yeah, me there, man. Be things that, hey, Jaja. Hey, me a real chopper, you know, for true, you know.
Hey, I turn up it in there now.
Yeah. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, me I get me banger for. Yo, you have to keep it down. You can't load up a thing,
Yeah, man.
them things I can't make everybody know, because you know some people love chat.
We,
All them
man.
do I just listen out for people business and just chat stuff for true. Me I tell you for true.
True.
Yeah, so you have to keep them thing there. Yeah, man. Tomorrow 10 o'clock, man. Smoke it. Me I link up a G and the dog give me a banger phone and me I turn real chopper. Stuff for true. Yeah.
You mean, man? Turn up a thing, man. You mean?
Yeah, dog.
You know a thing go,
Yeah.
man.
So where they go on with?
Me there I go on here. If I work, me a jack from you, you know a thing
True.
go. You see me?
True.
So me a say thing we are going with it right now, you know.
Can't
Let's go and chop
can't
up
bother with
everything.
them
Yes, yeah.
small idiot work there. Man, yo, all the pie villa man I work. So I left man I left up there saying because man in a small work chump change. Man want big money to get all some big years.
Me,
Yeah.
man, for you can chop the food, man.
Some American eagle and them thing. The man hey, 2 bills me pay for the article, you know. One big cheap beer brand. 25,000 and
Me,
everything
man.
there. Yeah. Enough
Get
money.
the youth for rich out, you know, man.
Yeah. So, but there, man, yo, you see if you get no leads, just
Yeah,
send them on for true, because I'm a big chopper, real chopper.
Alright,
For true, yeah. want a big client. One client more. I'm gonna leave.
Alright,
Show,
mad way.
show.
That's the
One
party.
client.
That's it.
One client
Mad
and a giant.
Why? Does it feel like a time I do?
Time me how?
No, it just feel like a time I
I mean, I cook pot. And time me some.
Hold on. What happened to the father now, the passport and thing?
Oh, Jesus. I never tell you, say, one letter did missing for your name. He never upon it at all.
So, what about that? You have to change, you know, everything have to change?
Yes, ma, so it's a whole process. I have to change it and I have to check with the birth certificate to see if something need to be correct on that too.
So, something wrong with the birth certificate, you have to correct it again?
Yeah. I have to check with the birth certificate so we can make sure so everything correspond and correct this time.
Well, you're not going to take a whole heap of time?
No, sir, once you have the money, go on there. Not this week, you said the money for run, for insurance.
I must tell you, you know, if you get it, it's a weekend, but guess what? The lawyer said the insurance company that give problem. So they raise it to 10 mil. You understand? 10 mil. 10 with 60 back at it.
Enough money that.
Isn't it?
Lord, that sound good.
Tell me,
That sound good,
tell me,
man.
tell me.
You sure say that'll come true?
That come true, man. Believe now, man. Believe, man. Believe.
Alright then, that sound good. No sleep good tonight.
You sleep movie better.
Lord.
Tyrone. Notice him coming to work late every day, poor little skinny, one early doing all the work. I think more let him go.
Why, hon? Think about it. Him work very hard.
You're just not getting it now. You're not getting it. Every day this boy come and work late. He might lose the company. It'll cost him money. Poor skinny. And skinny not even strong, but him still doing everything he can.
No, me
We
understand.
want to let go the boy, man.
Hon, just understand, steady. You have to give people a chance in life. That's how life is. Just give him a chance.
You think him deserve a chance?
Yes, just give him a chance
You know,
because...
sir, just your accent make me go give the boy a chance. Adjust the accent, you know.
Yes, hon.
Say
Just
something
think
nice
about
to it again.
Think about it. Because I think him deserve a chance. Hon, I believe, you know the piece of land you have for the estate?
Yes, the one what my grandfather did give to me.
Yes, I think we can think about something.
Well, honey, you know, we think we're gonna wait a little bit first because the people did come down and we don't just want to jump into the decision, but everything is going to work out, man. Everything is going to fine.
All right.
My bonus, what a pretty glass this morning. Where you choose
you.
that one from?
Oh, baby.
It fit your face so beautiful, nice. Right, anyway, baby, seems that we are married now. And you don't think it's time now if we just go up to the embassy, go line up the little paper, man? Look at us. Would I make England come alive, you know?
I know, honey.
I well want to see what England look like.
You don't need to worry, honey. Everything is going to be all right. You know that. You know me love you. Me do anything for you to be next to me.
Oh my God.
Anything.
Science. Wait a minute, the client. Science. Wait a minute, the client. Science. Wait a minute, the client.
Oh, Madonna, water for me, yo. You're not hear me for chocho, man.
So you go on, sir, brother?
Not tell me nothing, man. Every morning you're late. I want to hear sweet or for chocho.
Tell us, boy. And next time I talk about that.
You know, easy, you know. You go on.
Thing set, man.
You go on. You think I alone have woman. You see this morning, so for true. Hey, Tyrone, you don't know what going on last night. Me up at club 2020 last night and book a nice browning, so for true. She nice and clean, you know. You don't know, say, me try to beg her a look thing. So she tell me, say, now me have to buy her one drink. So me now go so boom and pop out a 1,000 out of me 3,000. Cause you know me not touch road without my cash. You know man never cash for real, for true. So watch her now, me go so boom and buy her one drink. She go so boom and want her next drink. At $2,000 that take done. Me go so boom and buy her one third drink, money done. So me now go for KFC and trust piece of meal deal. You understand? Yeah man, my cousin work over KFC. Yeah man, Mitzi. You know, remember Mitzi, fat Mitzi? He love food, you know? Mitzi love food, that's why I go work at KFC. But anyway, me go get a meal deal, so for true. You don't know where the girl end up, bro, G. No, me yard. For true. Yes, I'm going to tell her, say, this morning she left for true. So, you see, a chopper like me just catch it at a lie, reach a lie, for true. Yeah, for true.
You see how you? Well, let's see a big chopper, you know, a game and thing.
What do you mean? Me a big chopper, man. Say I be a chopper, my proud. Chopper for real, chopper for true. Chopper in a real life.
So you're bossy then?
Eh?
You're bossy.
Bossy in the office. I hear some convulsion going in there. I have to wonder what kind of war. Hey, them can't war, you know. Bossy and them women so for true. Boy, I don't know still. I don't know why they not left for true.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Man, them a watch out for war so for true. So Bossy say, by next week we campaign, so you know we go already.
Let's see where we for your thing.
Yeah, but you know, me have a little thing more reason about school, but
When the man? That way, Where are you? Where are you? All right, now.
Yes, Pops. I have everything under control, man. You don't have to worry. Everything is okay. It will be fine. Yes, man, we talk about it. Everything is okay. Me have it locked. Okay, Pops. Catch you later. Damn it, man. Daddy just always just a worry himself. I know I can't manage, you know. Me have everything under control. If you build more wild, man. Sure.
Tyrone!
Yes, bossy.
How much time must talk to you? Look on the place.
Boss,
You know, say place need to clean up.
that's not me one working about. Skinny can't do it, you know, boss.
Skin in my backside can't do it. You're lazy, you know. Look on the place.
Wait, boss, man. Skinny can't do it, man.
How much time must talk to you?
Boss.
Look here. You dip on a thin line, you know. And this is the last time I go on you.
Alright, boss.
Me no mind, man, you know. You come here for work, someone, you work. Work and clean up the place proper, man. And it's about skinny. Tyrone, every morning, me have to come tell you the same thing. Say you have to tap, come and work late, man. Backside, man. Every morning you come in at this place late. Time for you get a grip of yourself, man. And come at the place early. Come do your work.
Boss, you may have something to do with the yard and some other things, you know, boss, but know yourself, man. I'm going to improve.
Yo, at the last time I tell you, get a grip of yourself.
Yes, boss.
And deal with the thing proper. We don't talk.
I improve, boss. I improve.
Make sure.
Yeah, man. I improve, boss. We'll never improve, man.
Backside, man.
Jesus Christ.
Moms, that's how we go.
Yes, on. Let me try the one name Round Villa now.
Round Villa.
Yeah.
Man, no problem.
Alright,
No problem.
We can just.
Yeah,
Because we don't really want nobody to see we, you know.
Yeah,
Because you don't know, say, can't make this thing too. You know, we have to just try and just keep it under cover, you know.
the last one I go master, I never too like the vibes on there. I feel like somebody on there watch.
So let me just try that because babes,
Yeah.
right now I'm on fire for you right now. I can't wait. Trust me, I can't wait.
Speaking of fire, from what day me hear boy talk about fire me.
Really? You're damn right, you know. Because the same thing this morning him a talk about, you know. And I don't understand him. He can't fire you. He can't do nothing to you. Because I just there for back you. You understand?
True. I can't talk about fire. Right now some fire man put on you.
People, I can't wait.
Like how they start waste time, I just call it, you know. I start to...
I feel the same way about it.
Same way.
Same way. I can't wait.
Me too. Fire.
Let's go. Fire. We're on to it.
Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know that I'll die for you? Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know?
Chopper for real, chopper for true, chop in the morning, chop in the evening, chop it line quick, chop it line fast, chop, when me a chop, me no, chop, chop it fast, chop it quick, chop it line, make the money, so the thing money, them no boss, sunny, alright, chop it line quick, chop it line fast, alright, chop it line quick, chop it line fast, chop it line quick, make the money, first class, drive out the pen, drive out the first class. Easy. When me a chop quick and fast. Chop it line every day. Hey, yo, bad, if it's true. Bad, not true.
Yeah, man, you're bad, man.
Hey, me so we are still there now. Yeah, I'm gonna vice now one day.
Vice, man.
Me a turn big artist. Hey, me know a chopping game like me and back. When me a chopping line, alright, watch and see. Yeah, me a real chopper. Me no ramp.
See a van tag all over.
For true, you know his style. Chopping life, you know.
True. Anyway,
yeah,
you know, sit Tyrone.
You know, same the round this for true. I wipe off his step. Hey boy lazy, you see?
But look how long me I call
him. You feel lazy man. You can't do with lazy man. Hey, then say birds of a feather flap together.
Hey,
maybe you're lazy too.
Tap right there. Tap it right there. Look on you.
Oh.
You can't drop your pants.
Oh, we are talk boy, so the girls don't like it. You know much girl me get so? Hey,
you know no style. Office man me like.
You're too old.
All the better. Decent office man me like, you know, so you do sweep.
Sweep? You don't know man, you have to go and hustle till the time come man.
Then you just say a chop. We a chop. Anyway, you see, I want to give you the bag here for give Tyrone. Because every day me come here, him not there.
Me tell you some round this, round this. Yo, T! Check round the man, he might wipe off his step. The lazy, him lazy.
Look here, see step here, you know. And you know, up here.
No, the one round this, so check round at the third block.
Hello?
Money, me a real chopper, you know.
You know around here, you know.
One day me a go be best chopper, so for true.
Yo.
Eh?
You know around here, you know, skinny.
Yo,
you know around here, every day me come in there.
Can't see.
Every day me come Tyrone there.
Yo, T! That lazy boy I say. T! Yo, you know what? Me not walk up and down and look for nobody, you know. Cause me no yard boy, me no send up boy, you know. Me not see him. Me see, every day and do the same thing. He chop somewhere. And me don't know him. Me not walk and look for nobody.
Come here. Me can give you the bag here if you give him.
What food in there?
Yes, bossy in there.
You sure?
Yeah man, me sure, bossy in there.
You sure?
I want to talk to him about something. But your boss inside there?
Yeah, man, I'm in the office, it's true.
I want to talk to him about something, so I'm
Oh,
going to check him and then.
You know,
Remember to
easy.
get her on the bag, you know?
Yeah, I got give you, man. You know, easy, you know. Every day I come. Every day, so. So I go on in that the office there, no. But you know what? What sweet you? What sour you?
Lord, look at my bossy. Bossy.
What's up, baby? Looking so
Lord. How are you?
I am looking. I'm okay.
Okay. I locked the door.
You lock the door?
Yes.
What about the boy Tyrone?
I didn't see Tyrone.
You don't
I
have
didn't
him?
see Tyrone.
Okay, so that means we can finish where we left off last time.
That's right. But sit down. Yes. Tyrone. You must fire him, man.
I wonder why I'm supposed to fire that boy.
You're really asking that question. Listen, we need time for ourselves.
Tyrone, what do you think about him?
Fire him.
You know, you're reading my mind.
Yes.
A long time I want to fire the boy, you know, because guess what?
Fire him.
You remember how they work?
Yes.
I want to finish it, you know.
Yes, man, and continue.
I'm going to let him go.
Let him go.
I'm going to let him go.
Bad man, I seconds flip that, you know. You don't have no more weed for me.
Weed there on this man, I want pound of weed, me buy now.
You know, say differently one at a time. From when I show you a pre in a dog.
Yeah.
Glad me there say in a dog.
For real.
Take it things serious, you know.
You know, so if I tell you the truth, me serious, you know, bro, but
Yeah, me I say, man.
just show the
Yeah, me I
help
say,
me
man.
now,
Listen, me
bro.
I say, man. Take it things serious, bro. Dreams out there, my friend. You see me, doors can open. Believe.
True, man, but
But
I
first,
did
what
not
you
tell
know,
you.
you have to start believing in yourself from this. So. I tell myself, I tell my friend, self-belief, best belief. You see, once you believe, my friend, nobody else can tap you, my friend. And also you know, say people, I'm a prayer warrior, my friend. Believe, dog.
True, man.
Music powerful, you know, messages I can send to people, you know, my friend, worldwide, you know. And you don't know, sometimes we dark, so sometimes all bad message we send.
True, man.
But you have to always remember, say, watch on the man, every youth have a dream. I one chance, you know, because then you see all massacre come and tell us, say, I one chance you them need.
True, man. So if I just
You
take
have
it
to
and
pre-think
move
from
out.
a different perspective, you see me? You have to know, say, watch out. It pairs them what I go help you. In a longer run, you have to keep them on your foot. Say, for instance, your father.
For real, bro, man.
I tell them, man,
Real
no
talk.
joke, man, believe, man.
For real, man. And yes, with all them artists with that when me a born, I have to take
Right,
it
that's so, man, I
serious.
tell them, man.
Yeah, man,
I tell
on
them,
a
man.
different level.
Yeah, dog, you have to just have strong beliefs, strong mind. And you see, right now, rolling dice, you have to go try to connect back up with the dog, you know, because I dog has strength if you know it, you notice. Him I say, dog a big villain and some style, you know. The dog now no accolades for his studio time, you know. One ups for one little 30 grand come out of the dog pocket, you know. You see me? So you have to go connect up with the dog. If I even tell the dog, say, yo, you know, say you them 1, 2 things, and the dog come in your foot and right there, see you just start making, you know, say, yo, music thing I go on, you know. Making you see, say, yo, you still believe. Because I remember say, me say self-belief, I best belief. You see me rolling dice.
Guess what? The man they don't really believe in me because a little thing they go on one at a time and the man all turn him back for me. Did me certain way. Me about the next brother and the man not over did me man so. Just because me and my father have a little voice and me I say, oh, you know what? I just a stay in a million because I not run into them, you know, because you see, not sure me and my father and my brother them and
Never lie.
things go on. Them not go did me certain way and me run
No,
into them.
man. I know it's
So
not,
me
but watch
just
out now.
hold my own, yeah, man.
Watch out now. You have to remember, say, your parents make you a bit today. Without them, me, you could be somebody will be to them, friend. I lie.
Man, true, man.
So you have to find one way if you kind of connect some form of relationship with the dog. You see me? If you do a dog, having you ways them. You have your ways them too.
True, man.
I dog deal with a certain, watch out now, I dog deal with a certain way, you know, get me wrong, you know, you have to remember, say, dog messed up, you know. But at the same time, you have to forgive. You know, go forget, but at least you forgive, don't?
But babe, come to think of it, you know, I am tired of this hide and seek business. Fire Tyrone. Fire him. Because we need time. Tired of the hide and seek business.
You know that you're a mind reader.
Mm.
You're a mind reader.
Is what you think?
You are my mind reader, you know. You know, I have a plan. I have a better plan than that.
What is that?
I have a better plan than that.
Tell me about it.
I'm going to take you to a place where you've never been before.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yes.
Make sure.
Early.
Ah, that's why I love you so much.
Oh my.
You're so romantic.
My God.
Always know how to burst my bubble.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my bunanush. You know I will do anything for you.
I know.
You know what? The ocean, I can't swim, but I will cross it for you.
Aww.
You remember the last time you told me that Tyrone and his cousin, Tyrone cousin, they not really talk. But guess what? You see, Auntie, Tyrone and him not really plant bungo
Right.
align. You know them with them. So, you get it?
So you're saying that I must tell Tyrone that I'm going on by auntie instead of grandma?
You know you're my mind reader.
We are much more compatible together than with Tyrone. But why aren't you telling me that tonight?
Meet me there here.
Alright.
When I time still, you know. When I best time them for drop 2 lyrics. That be I agree with you about from day, man. Drop 2 lyrics when I latest them too.
For real, man. I say, me a hustle from night till day, weekend come. Seems like say me never get paid. Money takes so long to come, and when the money come me done. In a one day, we a hustle from night till day, weekend come. Seems like say we never get. Money takes so long to come, and when the money come me done. In a one day. Yo, the money done and me no give me mother none. Me not save for me daughter, me want my son. Like bill gone and the rent soon come 3 months now. Me no give the man none. Me have a one girl and she never come down. And people tell me both say she a give me bun. But if she a give bun, me a go use condom. Cause me no wanna age come down. Cause me a hustle from night till day. Yeah?
All it dies, believe no man. Believe, man. I tell you, man, just believe, bro. Self-belief, I best believe, and you have to do it right. You have to connect up with the dog, start link with the dog again, make the dog know, say, yo, watch out, man. You take a thing on a different level, you know. You must see a stages to life, you know. You probably see in our face where, you see me, but you show him, so watch out, different settings, you know, different rollings. You see me, man. Different type of ball game, you know. You see me rolling dice? Yeah.
Yo, bro, what go on? Man not even answer me start. Yo, bro. Oh, you did, Mr. Bro. I say I live now. Yo, you know, say, it's a little thing me come link you both for the door, cause I tell you from when nothing now go on for me, and I say, yo, I love if you can talk to Daddy and see what I can do for me, cause more I'm hungry. And I really say more want to no money neither, and I just help more.
John was
More want to help me out to the local business and I always tell you about. You don't know local music there. Talk to him for me, man, cause I know so many.
So, yo, when since I started the music?
So I'm born now the music, bro. You don't know that already. You remember when we used to go to the river and dip on the stone and I sing and the girl and I laugh and I dance and something.
John was star.
Don't do it with me, so man. I know so many live. You remember when we all used to play marble and football and something there? When we all used to share all the one girl. You make daddy full up here, bro.
Yo, John, no brother, but guess what? Feel a pain still now. Feel a pain youth, but try give him a talk still.
Yeah, man, make a talk to me.
And see what can go on, you know them way there?
For real.
Really.
Because if I tell you the truth, can't bother them like that. More while man all go to bed without food.
John,
and I don't like say me I watch with daddy have a watch but una have still, but at the same time, you better me link uno for help more than go out there and ask stranger.
Sure.
How you feel if you know say I go out there and I do be illegal things? You don't want nothing to your brother.
No youth.
Let's
Rough.
do something for you, man.
So, man say I'm an artist now.
Yeah, bro, I rolling dice then call me, man.
Rolling dice.
Yeah, man, rolling dice then call me, man.
Jano. Rolling dice. Rolling dice. Rolling dice.
Yeah, man.
How you come with that name, man? Rolling dice.
You know, bro, I'm making myself the name best, you know.
Jano.
I'm want to roll the music right across the world, see me and make the people in here, me I say.
Rolling dice. You want to roll music?
Yeah, man.
Jano Star. Rolling dice.
Name the bad, not true.
Rolling dice. Rolling dice. So, yo, guess what? Since I come up with the name, give me a piece, man.
Alright, I give you a little piece of one. Alright. You see, from you have life, you have everything. Some no one hear me sing. Me a go and nail the king. Jaja give me everything. You see, from you have life, you have everything.
Yo, Jano, song the sound bad, man. Song sound bad. Sound look like you go somewhere, no boy.
For real, man.
Look like you go somewhere.
Give thanks, bro.
Jano Star, rolling dice. You go roll it. You go roll to success.
Yeah, man. Give
Don't worry yourself, yeah?
For real, bro.
Don't worry yourself, man. Jano rolling dice. Nah, lie, your boy, the song bad. But guess what?
Yeah.
Worry yourself, you know. Give Pops a one chat.
Give thanks, bro.
Never know say I saw your body youth.
I always I do my thing, man. I just true, me not talk, man. So.
Jano, you don't talk, you don't go sing, but me not lie you. This song bad, me not lie you. Anyway, me I give Pops a talk for you. Yeah? So no watch no face.
Really, bro. So take me number now and so you can link me when you're ready.
Jano, you don't have to worry about that, man. You don't have to worry about the number. You don't have to worry about the number, man. Me I give you a call.
Bro, you have my number, you have to call me. How long do you have my number?
Then no eat me, I tell you, man, say everything good, man.
Alright, no worries.
A rolling dice, you name me, man.
Yeah, man. Date
Rolling dice.
me. I look forward for your call still, you know, because I'm showing me this, you know, bro.
Oh, God, man.
This, man. Bro, now I come over now still, you know. We link up here.
Yeah, man.
So just tell that, you know, something here.
Me I'll call you, man. No worry yourself.
Alright, bless up here.
Ah. Rolling dice. Rolling dice. Dice roll. Do any name go on so still now? Maybe we shot. Rolling dice. Chat.
Jungle Jesus, jungle justice, make the money fast and we hustle hard. Come on now, real chopper, bad chopper, good chopper.
Skinny.
I don't want you, me don't want you to heal me.
Yeah, go on, so, brother.
Bossy there, I look for you. You go on.
I went there now.
When there? You can't talk too loud. You know. Yeah.
So I go on with.
Me there, I think you left your bag, so for sure.
You don't have nothing from feet? Where?
A joke.
Oh.
You know, we catch some fish and rice, but we must up it for a long time.
Where's that?
Fish and rice.
I better for mine, make the eating food.
From morning the other day, I do all I work. So now me eat all I food, so for sure. You ever see God that feed hungry, no lazy man? Look, who God feed with the fish and bread? He disciple them. You don't act like a disciple. You know you act like
Is it you?
Samson.
Is it you?
The true.
It's true. Then I'll catch up with your belly. The true.
Nobody can catch me with my
Alright, man, don't worry yourself.
Because I don't eat fine anybody.
Yeah.
I true, me know you. And Pinky can cook it. Fish tastes nice. For true.
but for real, I'm hungry, no, brother.
Hungry?
Food, man.
Hungry? You know what I want to tell you? Me not too like people business still, you know.
Yeah.
But me have to give you something that can fool your belly for true. Every single day, Pinky go bossy office. Me don't know what them got office go do. Me not think them do nothing still. You know, cause Pinky wouldn't get away.
Oh man, boss I eat that, you know.
Yeah, true for true.
Boss I eat that, man. Boss I eat that.
Me for true. You feel so?
I eat that, man.
If it's true, cause me feel say, you know, me feel say, Pilot, I running head. Yes, me feel say Pilot, I running head.
True.
Yeah.
True, man.
Yeah, so guess what, go on. Anyway, you take it so for true, you can't fool him now and fool him then. He's a big fool.
Big fool.
Big fool. So for true, me glad some me fully done.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't me would know them things for true. But me I tell you, Pinky gone still, she up there.
But she gone, you know?
Yeah, he gone chat to Bossy and sitting, you know, and tell Bossy say, you're lazy. me the right I do it, you know, he lazy.
So how Pinky feel like, man? How Pinky feel come and work and tell the boss about me lazy and thing?
Me no know. Me no love people business, you know.
I like
Me no
this.
love people business.
I like this style, brother.
Okay, so next thing you have to hear, say, I mean, say, me no like people business. Me no follow people business.
Yeah, man, too, you know, for like people business.
You see me like nobody business. Me I tell you.
Me not say you like people business, and I say you're man, you know, for like people business.
You see it, me just inform you and I tell you what I go and so for true. And you go say, me you know feel like people business. You see it? You're sorry for Marga dog in turn around and bite you.
You know, say you're dumb for you.
Me not dumb, me fully done.
Listen what me say. You're a man, you know, for like people business. Me not talk about you generally.
You can't stay there. You can't stay there. Not stuff for true. Boss, you want to find you right now. We'll be in there property I look for you. But me tell him say you got a bush. You know, see me I look out for you.
You could have looked out for me better if you tell me I got a bush.
I joke me, I make. For true. Yeah, me G man. Me always I look out for you now. You know what me think say go? Down the road.
Oh man, a different thing me go on. I don't know if me go yes no, but a different thing me go on, you see me? Go deal with a little works.
Me know. So give me something more tight now. Give me something more tight now.
Why skinny? We chat to you next week.
Next week?
Next week.
So next week?
Next week,
give me a
anytime,
thing.
yeah man. Anytime I'm here, I think man. I don't nothing for me.
I have to go double it, because I tell me last week, say I give me sitting this
week. Yeah man, no problem.
For true.
You see me? I don't nothing know man, I try you know, you see it?
For true.
Alright. True.
I have to make the money. Jaja roll the dice. I have to make the money. Rolling dice. I have to make the money. Roll the dice.
I sleep, you know. Me never rang, you know. Fire, go fire him, you know. I go fire him, boss. I be asleep, him asleep.
Why? Why? Every day you come here, they sleep. You sleep so much.
Boss. So heavy work me put in, boss. Heavy work.
You think you can do no man?
Try to know.
And come to think of it, me know say when woman breed, a woman always sleep. Mine are you breed rather than human, you know. Yo.
That man you find out.
Look for me when me chat to you, boy.
Yes, boss.
You have been warned. So if me come back again and see you to sleep,
yeah,
I go fire you. Boy, me tell you, say you're on thin line, you know. Me talk to you this morning, how much time I go chat to you? You're a big man, you know.
Yes, boss.
The minute you come from work, I sleep.
You say me depend on something thicker.
Boy, you back answer me?
No, sir.
At the last time this me go on you know?
Last time, sir.
Last time go on you.
Last.
You better hear.
Go past something thicker.
But come to think of it, you know, say me shouldn't fire the boy. Rest like how I go got some precious quality time with Pinky, you know. Go and sleep, boy. Me and Pinky now go sleep.
Hello everyone, good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in night, good in whatever time you guys tune in. And y'all know, it's me, your boy, Skinny, Soficho, Choo. Welcome to Prolong. If you're here for the first time, welcome to PROLONGHDFILM. PROLONGHDFILM represent Jamaica film industry, so we're taking it by a storm. So what we're doing here is teaching people how to act, how to edit, how to film. So I know the first episode might be a little bit off, or but you will see the development, and it's only for you guys to critique, to help us to grow better and bigger. Let's bring Jamaica film industry to Netflix. So today, this film, not today because you might be watching it tonight. So this film that you just watched is called Cheating Pays, and doesn't mean that when you cheat you're gonna get paid. It means that somebody else is gonna earn from you cheating. So guys, please remember to stay loyal and commit to your relationship and do not cheat, because man, like I'm Skinny, we get paid from all those go around that you're doing and miss up with the relationship. So and please do remember guys to like, share, subscribe, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend down the road to tell the friend next door over the next friend, and tell the friend where they are England to tell the friend where they are Canada over America for like, share, subscribe, and comment. And thank you guys again. I love you so much. I love you all. Respect, enough love, one love Jamaica. Soficho, Netflix will come in. Soficho, true.